In this video, I'll show you how you can add a gift to your Throne wishlist. So here you can see I have my account and I have a coffee gift, which someone can buy. I also have a product which someone can buy. And if they do, that will be sent to me. Now I'm going to show you how you can set this up. So inside of Throne, you need to be on your wishlist page. And from here, you can go ahead and click on add gift in the top right hand corner. Now, once you do that, you can then choose through a gift. So you can either search here for a product. So I'll search for Rode microphone and we'll go ahead and add that. So let's add this one. You can then add the gift title as well as the price. And if you want to convert it to payout, it will mean if someone buys this gift, if convert to payout is available, you will just receive the money for this instead of the gift. So you can see once you click on that, the amount will be paid out instead of Throne placing a gift order. If you want to proceed, click proceed. If you want the actual gift, then don't click that. You can then choose the style and the product features here, and you can then go ahead and add it to your wish list. Once you've done that, it will then be visible on your Throne page. You can then go ahead and view your wish list. So here it is. If you wanted to add a cash gift, by the way, go to add gift in the top right. And from here, click add cash gift and you can give that a title. So I've put coffee. You can also change the icons and the colors and you can then change the price. Give it a description if you want and add to wish list. And that's how you can add a product and also a cash gift on Throne.